In this video, I will be showing not one, but two different ways to make your first $100 with Clickbank. Now, the first way is going to be a completely free traffic method, and then the second way is going to be a paid traffic method, but you don't need any audience. So let's get right into it. Clickbank, Clickbank, Clickbank. I'm back on Clickbank, man. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Clickbank account, but if you don't already have one, it's completely free to sign up. So that's the first thing you want to do. Then you want to head over to Marketplace, right? And Marketplace is going to pull up all the different categories that you could choose from. So they got the e-business and e-marketing. They got the health and fitness. That's a huge one with Clickbank. They got the self-help. That's another huge one. I made a lot of money in the self-help category. But for this video right here, we're going to go over to the spirituality niche, right? Now, as you can see, they got a bunch of different products to choose from. So I know you're probably wondering, like, Drill, what's the best products to promote? How do I find the best products to promote and everything like that? I got you, man. So what you want to look at is the gravity score. The gravity score is basically going to tell you how many people have sold this product in the last couple weeks. So if we look at this one, right, it says 239. So that means over 200 people have sold this product in the last couple weeks. And if they could do it, we could do it, right? So that's just the soulmate sketch right there. And as you can see at the top, they have it sorted by rank. So that's basically just the #1 product in this category right now, #2 product, but you can sort it by gravity and all of that. So if you sort it by gravity, you can see that the numerology readings has 160 gravity. Hey, if you remember the numerology readings from back in the day when I used to sell it, hey, you an OG. But the bioenergy code, we got 100 gravity on that one. I made a lot of money with that product as well. So the moon readings, 104 gravity. So you just want to take a look at all of these different products and see which one you want to promote. And another thing you want to look at is the affiliate page. And this is actually a good example. So I found Soul Manifestation and I went to the affiliate page, and as you can see, they give you email swipes, banners, blog posts, reviews, Facebook ads, product images, all of that. So you could definitely use that when promoting a product. So make sure you check out the affiliate page. So now that you signed up for Clickbank and found you a product, the next step to this process is to drive traffic to that product. Now for this, we're going to be using a free traffic source called TikTok. Now look, I know a lot of you guys might not want to use TikTok because you might feel like it's cringy and everything like that. And trust me, I was the same way when I first hopped on there. But it's a great free traffic source and the organic reach is crazy on there. So you want to use it for your business and to make money. You don't got to scroll through TikTok and look at all the dances and everything like that. Just use it to make money. So let me hop into my phone and show you guys the method. Alright, so I'm on TikTok right now, and the first thing that you want to do is type in keywords related to the product that you're selling. So earlier I showed you guys the spiritual niche. So I'm going to type in things like manifest, and we're going to find some videos, right? And then what you want to do is you want to go over to the top and you're going to do this month and most liked. Make sure that you're doing this so you can find the most recent videos. Then you're going to do apply, and as you can see, they got a bunch of videos that popped up. 1.5 million likes, 1.3 million likes, a million likes. Imagine if you got 1 million likes on a video. That's not even the views, that's the likes on it, right? So what I want you guys to do is you want to scroll down and you want to find a video like this, right? So as you can see right here, this video got over 600,000 likes. That's not the views, that's the likes on it. So I'm telling you guys to use TikTok, right? This video is very simple. I'm gonna play it for you guys real quick. Very simple, right? That video is only like 7 seconds, right? But I want you guys to peep something. Look at the caption, right? Want to know what your soulmate looks like? Click the link in my bio. Remember that soulmate sketch I was showing you guys on Clickbank? They're selling that product in this video, and they got over 600,000 likes. So you know they made some money. You know they made some money for sure. That last video that we watched got 3.3 million views. Now let me go to it, right? And that was 5 days ago. It got over 3 million views in 5 days from that simple little video. I'm telling you guys, this shit is crazy. But it's basically the same video, but he just switched up the sounds on it, right? So want to know what your soulmate looks like? Click the link in my bio, and that was 5 days ago as well, and they got over 300,000 likes. Let me see. All of these videos basically the same thing with different sounds, so you guys can do the same exact thing. Let me go to another one. Over 4,000 likes, over 10,000 likes. So you know this page is making money. Let me actually click the link in their bio so I can prove to you guys that this is a Clickbank product. So they're collecting emails right here. I ain't gonna put in my information, but you get the picture. They're actually selling a Clickbank product from TikTok. They only have 70,000 followers, but some of their videos are starting to take off and get millions of views from simple little videos that you can make yourself. So let me actually go back so we can find another example. All right, so I just found another video, right? And this is another simple video, just this with a sound and it has some text on the screen, right? And it has almost 200,000 likes, and I'm pretty sure this account is selling the Clickbank product as well. So I'm gonna play the video for you guys real quick. Simple. Very simple video right here. So if we go to that bio, as you can see, they got a little ClickFunnels landing page. All right, so I went through, put in my information. You can see at the top, Clickbank. That's another example. Let me show you guys one more. So I just found another video and they got 150,000 likes 5 days ago on a whole nother page selling a soulmate sketch, again, a Clickbank product. So people are doing this and making money with it. The proof is in the pudding. Let me see how many views that video got. Over 700,000 views on this video. And let me actually click the link in that bio so we can see what they're actually selling. It seems like the soulmate sketch. Yup, there it is right there. Another Clickbank product. So you want to be doing the same exact things. Like those videos I showed you got thousands of likes on them. So you know they was making money with Clickbank. Anytime you get that much traffic, you're going to make some money. And TikTok is completely free and the organic reach is crazy. So you want to be taking advantage of that. You saw the videos, they was short and to the point. They just had some text on there and then they had a video behind it, and then you just add a sound on TikTok. Now I know you're probably thinking like, Drell, where do I find the videos and everything like that? I know there's a website called Pexels that you can use that has free videos. Let me pull it up right now so you guys can see it. So I'm on the website I was just talking about, Pexels. As you can see at the top, you just want to type in pexels.com and it'll pull up. But let me type in landscape so we can get a video real quick. Let me head over to videos, and then as you can see, they just have these videos that you can download for free. As you can see, free download. So there's really no excuses. You can get started with this for free and start making you some money. All you gotta do is download the video. You might want to chop this up because as you saw on TikTok, the videos was only like 7 seconds. So you want to download this, chop it up to like 7 seconds, put some text over it, throw it on TikTok. You feel me? Now remember I said there was 2 different methods that I wanted to show y'all in this video. One was the free method using TikTok, and I highly recommend you guys to try that out. People are making a killing with it right now. And you know what? Matter of fact, if you guys want to see me try out Clickbank again and go from 0 to $1,000 on Clickbank, drop a like on this video and drop a comment down below and I'll make it happen. But if you guys don't want to use TikTok and build up your own audience, I got you with a paid traffic method that doesn't require you to have your own audience. So let's get into it. Now this method is going to start on TikTok as well, but we're not going to stay on TikTok, so hear me out. What we're going to do is we're going to find the most viral videos and save them to our phone, and then we're going to use the videos to promote on Instagram using Instagram influencers. So this way we're still using what's working, but just in a different way. I know you probably thinking like, Drell, how do I actually save the videos to my phone? Well, there's an app called TikSave. All you want to do is add a video, right? And then you're gonna hit share, copy link, and then you should be able to go back to TikSave and it'll pop up. And as you can see, it popped up. Then you just want to save the video to your phone just like that. And once you got your video, the next step would be to take it to Instagram and find some Instagram influencers. So I'm gonna just head over to Instagram. We're gonna type in Law of Attraction real quick. Law of Attraction Live, they got a link. And you want to find a page without a link in the bio. So this page does not have a link in the bio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna DM them and I'm gonna ask them for their promo rates. Let's say they respond and say $100, right? What I would do is I would send them that video that I just saved. Then you want to come up with a caption and you could just say like, if you want to know what your soulmate looks like, click the link in my bio. And you also want to send them your Clickbank affiliate link by hitting the promote button. Then you want to take that link and put it into tiny URL. Now, of course, you gotta find some good pages for this, so you gotta take the time and do your research and find some good influencers. You don't necessarily have to stay in the same niche as well. So let's say the spiritual niche is overcrowded, right? What you could do is you can type in other things like introvert and go to some introvert pages. Like for example, I just found this introvert page with over 400,000 followers and they don't have a link in their bio. So you could definitely reach out to them and ask them for their promo rates and everything like that, so you can use their page as well. The key to this is really testing out different influencers. Your first influencer, you might not make no money. That's just how the game goes. You gotta test out different influencers and see which ones actually give you sales. And then once you find that out, you keep going back to that influencer. It's really a game of testing. And by the way, when I hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm giving away a whole Instagram page called the Black Boss Crew with over 50,000 followers on it. All you gotta do to enter the giveaway is to drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, help your boy get to 200K for the culture. But definitely try these methods out. Y'all saw they was going crazy on TikTok promoting ClickBank products, and you can use those same videos to go on Instagram and use some Instagram influencers. You can do both of these methods at the same time or do one or the other. It's really up to you, but I know they work. And like I said earlier in the video, if y'all want to see me return to ClickBank and do a challenge from scratch, drop a comment down below, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. But I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.